Do you know that Simien Mountains is the highest tower of East Africa? Do you know that one of the deepest jungles in the world is the Bale jungle? Welcome back to the real Ethiopia in today's video. In the southeastern highlands of Ethiopia lies one of Africa's most ecologically complex landscapes, Bale Mountains National Park. On its southern slopes, the land falls away into shadow and mist. Here, the high plateau gives birth to a forest unlike any other in the region, the ancient Harina forest. Clouds gather along the escarpment, condensing against the mountains. Moisture feeds the canopy below. Temperature drops, light fades, sound carries differently beneath the trees. In these layered habitats, evolution has carved out rare specialists. The Ethiopian wolf, the rarest canid on Earth, survives in the Greater Bale ecosystem. Over half of its remaining global population depends on this region's fragile balance. Within the bamboo zones lives the Bale monkey, a primate found nowhere else. Its survival is intricately tied to a single plant species, and moving quietly at the forest's edge, the mountain nyala, an antelope endemic to Ethiopia, navigates the dense cover with cautious precision. More than 300 bird species have been recorded across the Bale region. Sunbirds, raptors, and endemic highland species occupy distinct ecological niches shaped by elevation and rainfall. But the forest's importance extends beyond biodiversity. The Bale Massif forms one of Ethiopia's most critical water towers. Rainfall captured in these mountains feeds rivers that sustain more than 12 million people and their livestock across southeastern Ethiopia. Each tree stabilizes soil, each root system protects watersheds, each intact hectare supports life far downstream. Yet the boundaries of wilderness are not fixed. Human settlement expands gradually along forest margins. Recent ecological monitoring has incorporated advanced satellite analysis and machine learning models to map these changes with increasing precision. Till Harina endures, mist settles into the valleys at dawn. Rivers continue their descent. The canopy breathes in cycles of light and shadow, as it has for centuries. In Bale, altitude, water, and time converge, forming a living system that binds forest, wildlife, and humanity together. After exploring the wild heart of the Bale Mountains, our journey takes us further north, to a land where the sky seems to meet the earth. Welcome to the Simien Mountains National Park. Often called the Grand Canyon of Africa, the Simien Mountains are a dramatic masterpiece carved by time. From high plateaus soaring above 3,600 meters, every angle reveals a new spectacle of nature. Sheer cliffs drop 1,500 meters into shadowed valleys, showcasing the immense scale. Gogo, at 3,926 meters, offers breathtaking panoramas that leave even seasoned trekkers in awe. The park is at its best during the dry season, from October to April, when trails are clear and views uninterrupted. For those who love blooming landscapes, September to November paints the mountains in wildflowers and lush greenery. Trekking conditions peak between December and February, offering crisp air and dramatic sunsets over the highlands. These mountains are more than just stone and sky, they are a sanctuary for unique life. Endangered species call this park home, from the elusive Walia Ibex, found nowhere else on Earth, to the playful Gelada baboons, interacting in their natural habitat. And the rare Ethiopian wolf, the world's most endangered canid. Every step along the trails could bring you face to face with nature's most remarkable creations. The town of Debark serves as the gateway to this wilderness. Just a 2-hour drive from Gondar, adventurers can choose to camp under the stars or enjoy the comforts of lodges. Lodges like Limalimo and Simien Lodge offer a front-row seat to spectacular landscapes. The Simien Mountains are a trekker's paradise, with trails linking campsites. Trails like Sankaber, Geech, and Chenik reveal a world of towering cliffs and sweeping valleys, and vistas that stretch beyond the horizon, inviting exploration. Each path is an invitation to step into the raw beauty of Ethiopia's highlands, where every view tells a story millions of years in the making. These mountains are remnants of a colossal shield volcano, formed over 30 million years ago. Today, strict conservation efforts protect this unique Afro-alpine ecosystem for generations to come, ensuring that both wildlife and landscapes remain untouched. From the rolling plateaus of Bale to the dramatic cliffs of Simien, Ethiopia reveals extraordinary landscapes. The highlands call to those who seek adventure, beauty, and the wild heart of Africa. Next, we journey even further north, into regions steeped in history and mystery.